Hello, PACE students, and welcome to Week 5. We're going to review this week's materials and assignments. As usual, we will start out here at Course Home and read any announcements that have come about. And I did post something here on how to make sure that you post in the team discussion board. So let's go ahead now and click on Content and preview Week 5 materials and assignments. So on the content root menu, be sure to click on Week 5 and then follow your way from top to bottom and you'll be in great shape. As the sign says here, this week we'll be dealing with career exploration. Career exploration really does mean just that. Not that you're going to be finding the career that you'll have for life. One of the great points that is made in this unit is that one doesn't find a career. One builds or creates a career. In other words, that first job, that first career, that first workplace opportunity full-time in the area that you've prepared for is not necessarily going to be the last. Indeed, throughout a 10, 15, 20, 30-year career, you'll find yourself changing as the times change and as the demands change. So keep in mind that you are indeed exploring how to keep yourself current, how to begin, how to evolve in your career. So this week you're going to be introduced to UMGC's Career Services Center. And the Career Services Center here at this school is one of the best that I have ever seen. And I truly mean that. I've taught at, maybe 5, 10 different schools if you include the online schools. And this school really does stand out in all of the tools and opportunities that it offers in terms of career exploration. You will also begin this week your Instructor Connection 2. Remember, you are to have 2 instructor connections during this course, one during the first 4 weeks and another one during the last 4 weeks. So I'll be contacting you about those. So let's go ahead and get into our learning resources here. There is one article to look at. It's a short article, really only 1 page, about 3 tips for deciding what you really want to do to your life, with your life. And its main point kind of reiterates what I said at the outstart here at the beginning, and that is that one doesn't choose a career and always stick with it. One builds a career that is made up of layers. Layers that consist of different training, different jobs, different locations, different organizations that you will experience throughout your career lifetime. And that's really what we're looking at here. The first resource here is the Career Services site. And the Career Services site is really run on this Career Quest tool. And in that Career Quest tool, you will find such wonderful resources as the Candid Career, Stepping Blocks, which I think is probably the key resource for you this week, as you will learn how to assess your own personality and proclivities when it comes to your career. Indeed, there is a Stepping Source demo here because that tool is so important for you to understand and to use wisely. Here's that career self-assessment that I was referring to. That is one of the activities that you must conduct this week. The vault is excellent. You won't believe the kind of information that you can get from students just like you who have gone on and graduated from the school and have now entered in the various careers that you're thinking about. And then this last video resource. So those are some absolutely great resources. Remember, to use Career Quest, you must register using your UMGC student email and student ID. So that is something that you register for, and you only have to register once, and you will always be logged in. Okay, going down to your discussion. You have 2 discussions this week, really kind of only one when it comes to the new work that you have to produce. The first discussion is this exploring your career path. Let's take a look at that. Oh, here's that quote from David Ellis. You don't find the right career, you create it. Viewing your career as a creation helps you relax. You don't have to worry about finding the right one out of the bat. You just know that everyone evolves and changes. Okay, so you're going to do this career assessment this week, and this career assessment is going to help you identify these personal values and interests, and then you will take those personal values and interests to apply to our exercise this week. So first, you explore this university's career resources that we've already talked about: Career Quest, Vault, Stepping Stone, Candid Career. And then once you have explored those resources, and especially after you have taken the custom personality career assessment and downloaded that personality report, you're going to use that report to build upon these skills and resources that you discover in Part 2. Then you're going to access the Career Quest website and click on Career Research. Then you're going to review the Vault demo video, and then you're going to access the Vault website. And then you're going to explore Candid Career. Then once you've looked at all those things, you're going to do this assignment. And this assignment consists of 3 steps. The first step, based upon the research you have done, is to list the requirements and job skills that you're going to need to be successful. So once you have identified your long-term goals, which you did in, I think, week 1, you need to talk about taking the right steps to achieve those goals. And those right steps include job titles that you're going to seek upon graduation. Even if you're currently in a job, maybe you're going to be looking for an advancement in that job. Will you need any special certifications or qualifications in order to make that jump to that next job, that next position? And if so, what are those certifications and how will you go about attaining them? Today, especially in the technical fields, it's all about the certifications that you have. Even those certifications are even more important than your resume. In the technical fields, it's going to be the first thing that people ask to look at. And then what did you learn from your self-assessment about yourself, about the career goals you're going to pursue, about the career choices that you thought you made and now maybe you're changing, that kind of thing. Now, in terms of the other discussion, in the other discussion, you're simply going to post your PowerPoint, share your team presentation, and we'll have a chance to look at them and discuss them. So you will need to post your usual 2 follow-up responses to at least 2 other in this portion. Okay, that's it for week 5. As always, please don't hesitate to call upon me if I can answer any questions. Okay, talk to you later.